Hi. So we had a contract, demolition contract. For a guy who we used to work for him, so we're gonna do that tonight. And it's a little house, one kitchen and 2 bathrooms.
Yeah, we have
So
it's probably gonna take us 3 days to do, but not full days, just 3 days, and we will film everything for you guys. We will show you our job.
yes, don't miss it.
Break down my walls, but I will rise again. 'Cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? So when I see my people fight off the evil, just know this ain't new. A picture can be framed, but every eye will see a different view. So when I hear the chants, when I hear the screams, when I see the horrible scenes, when I see the horrid things coming from human beings, I pray one day a new way will take over. What it's like to breathe life in a coma. We're so blind to the pain of the other. We must see beyond me in the struggle. Break down my walls, but I will rise again. 'Cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? Compassion, empathy, open heart. I know it's hard. Some march on the boulevard, some build, some pull apart, some blame, some do their part. Bring light when we're in the dark. Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Scarred face, burnt arms, it's alarming how we can't hold space for multiple truths, multiple hues. Talking about vacuums, sucked into the social chat rooms. Discussing, but ain't taking no action. Thinking that you know, but it's only a fraction. How you get the answers without asking? The math ain't math. Break down my walls, but I will rise again. 'Cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? So many persons hurting, but they still put the work in, and you can't try and chase things that are more uncertain than they've ever been. Submersion to open seas. Look at all these vets with PTSD, zero discernment, to decipher the codes, thinking you know. Easy to eat the apple from the serpent. Media servant, regurgitate these words for what purpose? Are you adding more fuel to the flames? Will this bring change? Will this sustain? Or will this be another stain that adds to the pain? Break down my walls, but I will rise again. 'Cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? Break down my walls, but I will rise again. 'Cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? But I will rise again.
Hey yo, property. You don't know, this is Lion with a burning man. It's all about positive energy. So man said, stop step thing, funky music. Listen.
Keep the funk in their music.
As long as you're music, we still a one of us. joy. Don't know for them, the system them a rise against the eye. Number one, me still a whole a vibe. Jah fire burn the hypocrites and the parasites. Number one, me still a whole a joy. A judge alone a guide over right. Even though number one, me still a whole a vibe. As long as there is music,
Keep the funk in their music.
Thursday done.
Yes, I'm dead.
It was a good night, but it will probably be more than 3 days.
Yeah.
Because he had a lot of stuff that we need to do. Yeah.
That'd be like
Look at my hair, mate.
40 hours, sure.
So keep you guys updated. See you in the next day. guys, it's a day 3 today. Demolition. It's going pretty good. We did a lot of stuff, but yesterday we came only 3 hours. So it's day 4, sorry.
Yeah, day 4.
What do you think about the job?
Thing is, start to get pretty shit, but it is what it is. We had to took down 2 bathrooms and 1 kitchen. The kitchen is done, easy. The first bedroom was más o menos.
Más o menos, bro. He's talking English over here. They don't talk Espanol. They don't talk
And the
Spanish.
third bedroom is not done yet. It's the shithole. So
But it's pretty done.
that's what we came at the first place. But now we had some extras, so we had to took down 4 wall in 4 bedroom. So that's what we.
So we're working
now.
on. So it will be more hours than we thought. But yeah, it's pretty good. Look at this. It's a mess right now, but it's going to get better. I'm telling you, because I love cleaning after that. I love the finished product. I love it. So we'll keep you guys updated with the videos.
Yeah.
Bye.